Hey YouTubers, I am back and my backyard is flooded. I'm gonna move this hose. Also put more dirt around the catch basin. I removed that. Look at this. This is just insane. What if I stand here? Look at that. Yeah, there's some debris here. Debris is useless. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. It's about 100 gallons of water. Yeah, that catch basin is plugged. Okay. I removed more debris. Look at this. This is just insane. Maybe we'll look at this white one. Just look at that. Water's flowing in. It can barely even handle it. Yeah, I actually put this aluminum catch basin myself. It was awesome. I like this. And this one is clogged up. The other one is blocked, so we're gonna have to stick to this one. This is the upper catch basin. What? Maybe if I do this. I'm also gonna unblock this lower one. Look at this one. What if I block this up? Yeah, it's not that fast anymore because the other catch basin also draining water. Yeah. Probably another unclog happened. Oh.